the Western Conference. And Jim, I think we're in for a doozy.
This exciting game will be coming to us courtesy of the Colorado Avalanche and the Toronto Maple Leafs. Quick pass up. Taves with the puck. Marner. Matthews now with it out of their defensive end. Toronto puts its third line out. Taves advances the puck. And they get called for icing. Domi backhands it. Kiev makes the stick save. Pass to head. Wood, one time. Manson whacks. Giordano moved up. Domi. O'Connor finds the loose puck. Nylander steals the pass. Wrist shot. Kiev, great save.
Now that's how to concentrate on the puck and keep it out of the net.
And out they come with a puck. Colorado dumps the puck in. Domi has it. Offside, Colorado. Colorado takes control. McKinnon dumps it. He takes control. Fires! Blocked. One-timer. Jones gets a leg on it. Riley played up. Marner gets rubbed off the puck. Riley grabbed it. Bertuzzi scores! Toronto came up with the first goal of the game.
Well, if they can play with that consistency, we could see some big numbers.
Tavares gets the shot off. Kiev denied him. Domi has the puck. Tavares. Lekkonen runs over Nylander. Mickelstad. Into the attacking zone. Up along the boards. Walker with a wrist shot. Domi picks up the puck from Jones. Giordano. Colorado gobbles it up. Nichushkin. He gets a hold of it. McCabe runs over Nichushkin. Giordano jumps on the loose puck. Robertson grabs it along the boards. He scores! Midway through the first, and they're up by 2.
They're taking a stranglehold of this game early on.
Played back. Leg save by Kiev.
Stops it with his pads.
Moved up. Wrist shot. Jones stones him cold. O'Connor now with the puck. Marner has it now. Klingberg gets shoved. Riley gets the loose puck out over the blue line. And this time, they've gone in offside. Taves finds the loose puck. Rantanen. Gregor finds it. Rantanen. Rink-wide pass. Move back. Rantanen takes control of the puck. Delayed penalty call for Toronto. Beniers will serve time for hooking.
To number 23.
Lundgren jumps on the loose puck. Big hit. Walker. Brings it in. With a wrist shot. Jones gets the blocker on it.
And you better believe that was a tough save.
Mickelstad. Blistering shot. Colorado makes a line change. Rantanen. Jones. Blocker save. Rantanen. Lekkonen with the puck. Jones stoned him. Makar. Shot quickly. Turned away by Jones. Jones freezes the puck. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. The face-off goes to Colorado. Pad saved by Jones. Giordano. Makar takes control of the puck. With a blistering shot. Blocked. Yarncroc. Bertuzzi dumps the puck in. Colorado scoops it up. And they get called for icing. About to drop the puck. Walker. Pass to head. Girard gets pushed. Lilligren steals the pass. Matthews gets the loose puck. Goes backhand. Georgiev made the save. Beniers leaves the box. That means his team is no longer shorthanded. Riley takes possession of the puck. Lilligren dumped it in. Lekkonen jumps on it. Jones stabbed at it. Matthews. He grabs the puck. He gets shoved. Matthews scores!
The puck came back out, and he was ready and waiting for it.
Passed across. Moved across. Played up. Austin Matthews. Centered. Pass back. Jones gets the wood on it. Jones hangs on for the whistle. We're ready for the face-off. Colton won the face-off. Manson clotheslines Tavares. Tavares jumps on the loose puck. Shoots it hard. Georgiev closed the door. Georgiev hangs on for the whistle. The players are lining up at the face-off circle. Matthews wins the draw. Klingberg gets hold of the puck. McKinnon gets shoved. Klingberg scoops up the loose puck. Rantanen. Over the blue line.
Last minute of play.
Parisi finds the loose puck. Bertuzzi. Colorado scooped it up. Rantanen grabbed by Toronto. Bertuzzi.
The first period is over, and now comes a critical time in the game. First intermission. This is when coaches adjust their strategies and get their players to correct any first period mistakes. There was a definite winner in that first period.
Maybe the second will be a little more balanced. Tavares won the faceoff. Moved ahead. Toronto beats out the icing call. McCabe, Georgiev stabbed at it. Out of their defensive end. Advances the puck. Colorado needs to be making a line change soon. Pass to head. Nylander. Walker takes possession of the puck. Makar grabbed it. Brings it out. Moved up. Walker gets hold of the puck. Parisi stops the shot. Icing is called against Toronto. The action's about to start. Drouin jumps on the loose puck. Marner. Breakaway. Delayed call against Colorado. Hooking. Manson is going off for hooking. They're getting ready for the face-off. Taves.
To number 42.
Matthews takes control of the puck. Taves shoves him. Riley takes possession of the puck. Matthews gets checked. The Avalanche dump the puck in.
Change! Change up!
Georgiev made the save! Ahead to the neutral zone. Cogliano, wrist shot! Giordano gets hit. Matthews with the puck brings it out. Trenin grabs the puck. Trenin. Walker dumps it in on the end boards. McCabe gets a hold of it. With a wrist shot. Kiev denies him. McCabe shoots it quickly. Kiev puts the puck into his own net.
Bit of a heartbreaker there.
McKinnon has it. The face-off goes to the Avalanche. Shoots. Robertson gets the pass from Jones. Robertson dumps the puck in. He takes possession. Wrist shot. Rantanen got it.
Line 4.
And out they come with a puck. Over the line. McKinnon rifles a shot. Gregor jumps on the loose puck. Robertson, the Maple Leafs, go offside. They're getting ready for the face-off. The face-off goes to the Maple Leafs. Brings it out. Mickelstad takes possession of the puck. Shoots it! Jones stabs at it.
Great save with the glove hand.
Marner gets pushed. Girard gets hold of the puck out of their defensive end. The Avalanche dump the puck in. Toronto grabbed it. Klingberg gets crushed. Quick pass up. Centers it. Centered. Holmberg finds the loose puck. Toronto puts its second line out. Moved across, moved up. Cogliano scoops up the loose puck. Mickelstad. Colorado takes control. Giordano. Gregor. Colorado scooped it up. O'Connor over the blue line. With a wrist shot. Jones gets a leg on it.
Pad save.
Quick pass up. O'Connor gets the loose puck. Jones moved it. Colton. Toronto takes it. Yarncroft. Toronto gobbles it up. Fires it. Kostov. Great save. Jones takes control of the puck. Brings it out. Jones finds the loose puck. He dumps it. Toronto in control now. Reeves. Parisi got it.
Line 2.
Makar touches up for the icing call. The ref is ready to drop the puck. Toronto picks it up. Girard gets it. Nichushkin. Jones stabs at it.
Great save with the glove hand.
Matthews gets the loose puck. Mickelstad. Wrist shot. Klingberg gets in the way. Letkonen backhand shot. Jones shut the door. Advances the puck. Moved up. Parisi shoots the puck. Jones hangs on for the whistle. The puck is about to be dropped. The face-off goes to the Avalanche.
Last minute of play.
Manson takes control of the puck. Ahead to the neutral zone. Moved ahead. Trenin fired it hard. Brody stops the shot. Beniers gets hold of the puck.
And that's the end of the second period. 2 down, 1 to go.
Ice rentals are available for groups of 20 or more skaters. to book ice time.
It's time to start the third period.
If there's going to be a comeback, Jim, it'll have to start almost right away.
The faceoff goes to the Maple Leafs. McCabe gets the loose puck. Rantanen shoulders Domi. Parisi shoots quickly, scores!
He put it upstairs and the goalie just wasn't fast enough.
Played across, moved up.
Number 9,
Zach Parisi.
the goal.
Mickelstad controls the puck. Colorado finds it. Lehkonen, McCabe grabs it. Nylander scoops it up. Tavares gets checked. One-timer. Domi scores!
That time, the offensive pressure was just too much for them. You could see the one-timer coming from a mile away.
Matthews wins the draw. Moved ahead. Bertuzzi gets shoved. He has his pocket picked. Played across. Quick pass up. McKinnon knocks the puck loose. Parisi gets a hold of it. Offside, Toronto. McKinnon won the faceoff out over the blue line. Backhands it. Lindgren gets in the way. McKinnon finds the loose puck. With a wrist shot. Corralled by Toronto.
Line 1. Line 2.
McKinnon. He gets it. Out of their defensive end. Rantanen gets checked. Walker. Girard. Over center ice. Girard dumps the puck in. Lehkonen picked it up. Gets the shot off. Jones stoned him cold. Brings it in. Walker pushes Marner. Matthews gets pushed. He dumps the puck in. McCabe has it now. Rantanen, he has it now. Colton shoots! Colorado with it now. Wood stoned cold by Jones. McCabe gets nailed. Domi takes control of the puck. He dumps it in. And out they come with the puck. Moved up. The Avalanche come in offside. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to Toronto. Robertson gets hold of the puck. Parisi gets thrashed. Lindgren with the puck. Yarncroft.
Line 1.
Colorado
Line 2.
in control now. McKinnon. Lindgren takes possession. He gets hammered. Robertson jumps on the loose puck. Colorado touches up for the icing call. The ref is signaling for the faceoff. Toronto takes it. Bertuzzi. Klingberg blocked. Brings it out. Moved ahead. Wrist shot. Jones. Walker save. Girard gets muscled off the puck. Walker. Lehkonen gobbles it up. Jones has been phenomenal between the pipes.
If they can win this game, he's the reason why.
Wood scoops up the loose puck. O'Connor. Tavares picks it up. Out over the blue line. Toronto wins the race and beats out the icing call.
Line 4.
McCabe. Nylander has it now. The Maple Leafs dump it in. Colorado grabbed it. Out of their defensive end. Advances the puck. Holmberg runs over Parisi. Holmberg gets the loose puck. He's in all alone. Holmberg with a wrist shot.
Line 3, get up there.
Across. Trennan finds the loose puck. Delayed penalty coming up for Toronto. McCabe will go to the box for hooking. We're ready for the face-off. Riley takes control of the puck.
Paid 2 minutes for hooking.
Girard. Nick Trushkin got it. The Maple Leafs cleared it. Girard now with it. Mittelstadt corrals it. In the corner. Walker. Riley pushes him. Walker. Wrist shot. Walker jumps on the loose puck. Brings it out. Passed ahead. Out over the blue line. Toronto puts its number 2 penalty killing unit out. Lilligren grabs the puck. Taken out. McKinnon gets hold of the puck. The Avalanche go offside. About to drop the puck. The face-off goes to the Avalanche. Taves gets pushed off the puck. Offside. Toronto has had a firm grip on the face-offs.
When you control the face-offs, you control the first few seconds of action. And that can make a big difference.
Jumped on by Colorado. Letkonen stops the shot. One-times it. Taves hits the post. Makar. Quick shot. Blocked.
Change up!
Makar takes control of the puck. Ahead to the neutral zone. Centered. Offside. Colorado. The players are lining up at the face-off circle. Mittelstadt grabs the puck. Lilligren steals it. McCabe skates back onto the ice. The power play is over.
Last minute of play into
McCabe advances the puck. He's been a brick wall in the net so far.
He's done everything but stand on his head, and the game's not over yet.
Parisi stands up. Lilligren played back. Quick pass up. With a wrist shot. Leg save by Osvetov.
A good scoring chance is denied.
And they get called for icing. The action's about to start. Robertson jumps on the loose puck. Rantanen, that's offside. They're getting ready for the face-off. Colorado scoops it up. Jones. Colton now with it. Wrist shot. Jones. Blocker save. Played up. Colton scoops up the loose puck. O'Connor. Backhanded shot. Colorado picked it up. Canada Centre in Toronto, Ontario. We'd like to thank you for watching. This is Jim Houston with Craig Simpson.
Bye for now.